So we're at our job site here, and we have a mama cow and a calf. It is 5 above 0 this morning, so there's a mama moose and this year's calf. They're doing really well, no snow. Well, welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone. So today we're as you've seen the moose in the picture when we first started the video here. That was over where we dropped the log bunks off for that load of semi-load. We were just leaving there, and the moose were actually eating on the brush where they cut the trees down. And then today, when we're done, Jill's got some stuff she wants to show you at the end of the video.
Well, no, it's the man cave. He wants to show off his darn man cave.
And you can see what we do in our shops on our time off. The other day it was pretty windy and cold, so we just stayed in and worked inside, and after we got our logs hauled home. And today we actually went and got another load. We thought we were getting caught up, but they're cutting steady, so we'll be hauling. So stay with us and hope you enjoy the video today. So this is one of the new homes going up in the subdivision where we're picking up our wood. So this is where we got the load of wood a week and a half ago, during where we had the ice on that video. And there's the house 10 days later, and several lots being cleared.
Well, here we are at our cleanup, just picking up the rest of our load that we started this week. As you can tell, they've already got the driveway in. They're putting in a septic, and I'm sure the well diggers will be here tomorrow or Monday. These guys do not fool around at all. It amazes me. But when we're done with the job site, this is what it looks like. All nice and tidy. The excavator, he'll come and pick up this debris that we got ready for him. Here Jeff is just finishing up our load.
So there's another new home going up. There's where we picked up the wood a week and a half ago. We had the icy roads. This is the lot that was cleaned out yesterday, and they've got 2 piles for us. There's 2 lots cleaned out, 2 more. And as we speak, we have a semi picking up another load at another lot to try to get caught up here. So as you can see, some of this wood here is a little rougher. Different contractor, they leave a little more brush on, which is fine. We'll gladly take it. Looks like we got a nice cottonwood saw log, and then we have some moose tracks. The moose like the fresh cut wood. Well, we'll get loaded and be back with you. Well, we were coming back from town and wanted to give you a quick shot of the Castle Mountain, King Mountain, and Pinnacle Mountain. And then the river valley is the Matanuska River. Well, we're back in the yard, everybody. We put a small load on from the one job we were at yesterday, and this is the load we were talking about getting a semi to haul in. Smaller birch, but nice tall trees. Give you a walk around the other side here. Beautiful, gorgeous day here. There's King Mountain off in the distance. So probably getting pretty close to a 10 cord load here. We haul this, I don't know if we could get this on 4 loads or not. It'd be close. So there's the log bunks I picked up yesterday. They just sit on there, and Vlad has them chained down. Well, we'll get unloaded here. Jill's on her way out. I think she's going to do a little camera work, so stay with us.
As you can see, we use that grapple a lot, not only to load our own trailer, but also to load the live deck on the processor, and then we can also use it for unloading the trailer, other people's trailers. This grapple has definitely done a game changer for us. Well, as you can see, he's getting her done. And in my case, watching a man work is interesting. I like it. Here, some smaller stuff, but it's solid.
360 view of the wood yard. 4:30 in the afternoon. Well, we'll show you a little bit of the wood pile, but what do we have happen today, Joe?
Well, we want to thank everyone who have subscribed and hit the like button for our channel. I believe we are over 500 in what, 5 months?
5 months. So very happy with that. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Well, we had to do a little repair on the log dog trailer. Had a weld break the other day. Okay. Well, this is what's left over from the semi-load. We've been processing for a couple days, about 3.5 hours a day. So Jill's gonna get over and cover up everything. So as you can see, the pile is gaining. So we've processed about 12 cord the last 3 days. We work about 3 hours, and we've also been hauling some logs in. Two beautiful piles and one little pile. It'd be nice if it was one big beautiful pile. Yeah, okay, we're out here in the shop, and this is one of the bowls that Jill's starting to turn. So this is what she does in her spare time.
Yeah.
Makes a mess in my garage.
That's why your garage is always messy, isn't it? Because I'm in here.
So you may wonder how we keep our garage so well organized. It's not easy. So that's why we're building a new wood shop. As you've seen in our previous videos, we started last fall. We hope to get it done this year. Kind of clean up my garage and free it up. And there's a stand I'm making for Jill's Samurai. She's going to start buzzing up some wood here, as you'll see in one of our future videos. Sun's nice and bright today, but we kind of relax on Sundays and just putter around in our own shops. Take it easy. Pretty slick, eh? That's the automatic case feeder. And just like that, 50 rounds. 41 Magnum. So that's what Jill and I do in our spare time in the workshop. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video today. We had some trips around, picking up some wood, some scenes. That's the houses that are being built over in the new subdivision and around the yard here. So in the next week and a half, I'm going to be by myself bacheloring again because Jill's going on a cruise. So
And I can't wait. Sunshine and heat.
We got sunshine and heat today. It's 28. I'm in my sweatshirt. Beautiful day
80.
out.
I like 80.
Oh.
For a short time.
So at the Alaska Woodyard, we keep the sawdust flying. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.